Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can enter promo codes on Pokemon Go. So all you have to do is open any browsers you want. After that, type in the search bar for Pokemon Go redeem codes. As you can see, the Pokemon Go website appears, so click it. While you are on a website, click sign in to redeem. And now, this is all the social media where you can sync your progress in Pokemon Go. I'll choose Google since mine is synced with Google. You just have to enter your credentials to log in. After that, this is where you can type your redeem codes and Pokemon Go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.